Global warming has become one of the greatest concerns of today. To protect the environment, recycling of waste is a must. The recycling business has become a much profitable venture at present. There are many kinds of wastes and types of recycling business ideas depend on the industrial outputs. Before taking up any of the recycling business ideas, you should remember a few things. Firstly, decide on your recycling business idea, i.e., what kind of waste you want to recycle. There is plenty of waste in different sectors like a household waste, construction waste, and electronic waste, and so on. Secondly, after the selection of the recycling business idea, have a thorough knowledge of the process of recycling and buy machinery accordingly. Thirdly, do exhaustive research on the products of recycling along with its marketing, and then take up the recycling business idea. By taking up any of the recycling business ideas, you are protecting the environment at one hand and earning profits on the other. Here we have 10 most profitable recycle business ideas. PVC recycling. PVC or polyvinyl chloride is used mainly in the manufacturing of pipes, shades, tanks. You can take the rejected PVC, treat them, and manufacture other goods of PVC. This is a common and useful recycling business idea. Chemical processes such as pyrolysis, hydrolysis, and heating are used to convert the waste into its. The resulting products, sodium chloride, calcium chloride, hydrocarbon products, and heavy metals, to name a few, are used to produce new PVC as feed for other manufacturing processes or as fuel for energy recovery, construction, and reliable waste recycling generally. Solid wastes are non-biodegradable and untreatable. You can collect these solid scraps from the construction sites and manufacture it into bricks. After doing treatment of these wastes, then after compressing, the new shape can be given, which is stronger, having a long life cycle. These bricks can be sold to the nearest construction houses in small units, and by signing the contract with builders, you can trade in bulk. Also, you can use interlock tiles, partition boards, false ceiling materials, etc. on second use after small repairing and painting. Medical waste recycling business. As you know, medical wastes are in most cases unhealthy and hazardous. Here, you can prove yourself of great help for the hospitals and society, along with making profits for yourself. A large portion of medical wastes like syringe and needles can be recycled. Autoclaving, gas sterilization, chemical disinfection, microwave, irradiation, thermal inactivation, etc. are the main methods used to recycle medical waste. Utensils recycle business. It's possible to be wasteful in the kitchen without even realizing it. All of the activities that are routinely carried out in the kitchen, cooking, cleaning, and eating, produce significant levels of waste. We often reject or throw away our old utensils, but these utensils can be the source of your recycling business idea. Most of the utensils are made of steel, copper, or iron. In your recycling unit, you can process them and make new utensils. You can sell them to other business persons, or you can sell them directly to earn profits. Glass recycling. The commercial glass recycling statistics reveal that there is room for improvement amongst business and industry. Within the hospitality industry alone, pubs, restaurants, and bars send 200 tons of glass to landfill each year. Glass is a relatively easy material to melt down and remake into many different shapes, from drinking glasses to molded sculptures to glass fiber. It's a material with innumerable uses in the world today. Once collected, the glass is broken up into smaller pieces, crushed, sorted, and cleaned. It can then be mixed with other constituents like sand, then melted and molded into the desired shape. Mattress recycling comes at over a million mattresses are sent to landfills or incinerators in the U.S. every year. These end up damaging the environment negatively, and there is an increasing pressure to have them recycled. Mattresses are usually made from a large number of materials, including metal, fabric, and plastic. When sent to a recycling plant, they are separated from each other and recycled at a success rate. The mattress plants usually send the constituent materials to specialized plants that carry out the actual recycling process. Textile recycling on textiles like pieces of clothing and parts of sofa sets make up a significant portion of used clothing can normally be reused by making small changes on them, while others have to be recycled. During the recycling process, the textiles are sorted based on the type and processed into different categories depending on the color and type. These can then be reused in the manufacture of new clothes or for reinforcing some types of furniture. For your textile recycling business to be sustainable, you must ensure that have a steady supply of unwanted textiles being collected. As such, you'll need to call upon the help of your local community, making it as convenient as possible for them to discard unwanted clothing. One way of achieving this is by seeking permission to place textile banks in car parks or along high streets. Plus, you'll need to factor into your decision how much it may cost to have any deposited clothing transported back to your business. Recycling junkyard furniture requires a considerably larger amount of creativity and workmanship than others on this list. However, creating usable furniture from discarded pieces is a very profitable venture. Lots of people like to buy unique kinds of furniture based on them being uniquely made. If possible, this can be combined with textile recycling. Perhaps the most attractive thing about a furniture upcycling business is that you can open it very cheap. For instance, it is very possible to open such a business for ARS. Electronic waste recycling on the waste which contains cadmium, phosphorus, lead, etc., which came out from the electronic waste items is highly valuable and profitable, but due to some dangerous metals, you need to take some precautions and must have experts in your team. You have to take the clearance and make your documents ready as per the government norms. It is also considered one of the best way to save Mother Earth by being eco-friendly with a holistic marketing concept. By taking some precautions, you can make a considerable profit with high ROI. Before moving forward, please subscribe this channel for more interesting videos related to nature, energy, and sustainability. From our studies, we found that aluminum recycling is the best recycling business with minimum wastage of material and best profit. So this comes at aluminum is the most recycled metal in the world with the least risk. The usage of aluminum is widespread and almost everybody is using it. If we talk about the most common thrown material, that will be aluminum. This is a hassle-free recycling business idea for you. On one hand, you can straight away collect the used cans and sell them. On the other hand, you can have your own setup where you will recycle aluminum cans and produce new ones. The profits are quite high, while the ideas presented here are examples of successful entrepreneurial undertakings. Keep your eyes peeled for emerging needs in the marketplace and see if you can invent a profitable solution. It is a very profitable profession, and one thing's for sure that you will never run out of waste. The only thing you need is to focus on how to run your business, and you will do better for. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep volunteering.